This is a quick review of the Harbor Freight Pittsburgh 3-ton low-profile floor jack with rapid pump. Unboxing and review. First of all, to be up front, I'm not a mechanic, and what I'm going to be lifting is the Chevy Silverado 1500. And this jack is only going to be used as a replacement for the bottle jack that comes with the vehicle. This jack has a maximum reach of 19 7/8 inches and weighs a whopping 78 pounds. My goal with this jack is to be able to replace the tires if I have to. The bottle jack that comes with the vehicle barely pulls the tires off the pavement. You could do it in a pinch, but I wouldn't want to rely on that jack. So that's why I got this one. There wasn't a whole lot involved as far as putting it together. It pretty much came assembled. There is a little warning card that comes with it as far as hydraulic fluid goes. We'll get to that later. First, let's put together the handle. It's pretty easy. It's just a spring clip. They recommend that you check the hydraulic fluid. In my case, the hydraulic fluid was plenty. I think I had maybe 2 air bubbles pop up, and that was it. So time to put the cover back, and let's get to work. Now let's get the handle in place. The handle has this little dip here. That's where the bolt's going to go into. We just have to slide this bad boy in the hole there. Loosen up the bolt so it goes all the way to the bottom. And then tighten the bolt back up. If this was going to be a more permanent operation, I would tighten the bolt up with the pliers. Now let's give it a quick test. Clockwise, we're going up with the handle. And counterclockwise, we're going down. Here's another quick test that we did. We went off the trailer hitch to make sure that everything was safe. And as you can see, it rolls right into the jacking mechanism. If it doesn't roll, chances are you're sliding off the item you're jacking. Now to give it its first test. It went up to a similar height as the bottle jack, but definitely a little bit better off the ground with the tire. And this is at its full 19 7/8 height. That's why I also picked up one of these. This is an extension. Gets me another 4 inches of height on the jack. And it does a great job of getting the extra reach. Now one thing that I recommend is as you're jacking, kind of spot your way underneath the vehicle to watch to see if it's slipping or not. And as you can see now, we're really off the ground. And it's just a matter of going counterclockwise, release the jack, and pull it out. I'm sure the comment's going to come out, did you buy jack stands? Of course I did. These are 6-ton jack stands. More than enough to cover my Chevy Silverado 1500. If you have any questions, please comment below. I do answer all comments. And if you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe. And thank you for watching.